Hi, my name is Rita Treasure Home, and did dinner special tonight. Not lunch special. So what I did, I cut up some cabbage, some Brussels sprouts, put that into the cast iron, let that cook all up. Added some leftover ground turkey from last night. After that was cooked, then we had some noodles left over from lunch the other day. So I figured we throw that in there and mix it all up, and I topped it with cheese. So a little bit of Colby Jack, and then the rest of it's mozzarella. Put a top on it and let it melt. I was like, I want to bring y'all along and show y'all what I did. There we go, and the cheese is 1, 2, 3. Oh, look at that. Yes, yes, yes. I am going to enjoy myself tonight. That smells so good. Homemade rolls. That was the next thing that might be something I do this weekend. So, be, busy, busy, busy. Staying busy, doing things, sitting down doing things. We got watermelon, and we have cantaloupe, and we got some grapes, and a sweet potato over there. So, yes, some good things coming with this thing. But here's dinner. So, look at that. All this wonderful cheese. There we go. I season it with kosher salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and basil. Never leave a piece of cheese behind. Definitely a winner. Oh, that's so good. So, there's my words. So, how many times can I say so in a video? I don't know. So we shall see. Had a fun time with Rita's Roost. I will put her link down below. I did a live chat with her today. Just talking about odds and ends and everything. Having a good old time. Go check her out. She's lots of fun. And she is in Arkansas. So, there we go. That's the key word. So, oh well. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed, ring that bell for notification. Look for those links. Still working on that spring store. It does right and then it doesn't. So, keep watching out for that to buy merch from my treasure home, because I'm going to have mugs and shirts and stickers coming soon. There we go. So, if you haven't, hit that notification so you know when we upload another video. And y'all have a wonderful day.